This video is my final project for PromineoTech Bootcamp for backend software development. In this video, I'll show how I create database for keeping up test cases because I'm software QA engineer. Okay, I create a database, test cases DB. As you see, there is no tables. If I run my project, it's running right now, start running. And we can see this four tables gets created. Let me explain really quick what does it those tables are mean. I have one test area table, test case table, test steps, and case to step link table. So each test case has a connection to one of test area. Each test case and test steps tables are linked using this case step table, which is many-to-many relationship. One test step can be used in several test cases. Now let's start to see how this CRUD operation is working. We will use Postman for this. Let's start with area. So if we have area, we can put some new areas, our body like this, and if we put just, for example, input, input, and click send, area created. Let's create another one and call it, for example, report. Report. Send it. Now we have two test area. Let's check if they how many areas we have. If you click all, excuse me, it should be there. Okay, we have description, we have two test area inserted, input and report. If we would like to see only one, we put num ID and we get the second area. Now let's create test case. Test case. Okay, post. Test case, we have body like this. Test case for area 1. We click send. And we have this test case for area 1. Let's do test case for area 2. And we change area ID. What we get test case area ID. Let's use the method get, or we have two test steps, and if we put number, we get only second test case. Now let's create the test step. Test step post. Test step a little bit different. We put prerequisite here, prerequest, and case ID we put 1. Second step, okay, doesn't matter, case 1. And in the body, we select the blob file, which gonna be a screenshot. If you click send, you will see it's added. Let's put to test case 2, we put the step to case 2, we leave the same. No, let's change screenshot. Okay, let's put another screenshot. For example, table. Okay, and we click send. Now let's check our the code. Then we have all steps. We have only the second step. And if we want to put another step for existing test case, we are doing like this. We are doing the put. We are doing the put, and we are doing the put here. Let's add step number 2 to test case number 1. It passed. Now let's go to our database and check what we have inside. So we have in table, we have test area, input and report. We have test case, system test case for area 1, test case for area 2, test step. We have second step for case 1, second step for case 2. And let's check what we have in here. So we have the for step 2 is assigned to case I1, and we can do it with the 2 different options. We can do it like this. Let's assign step 1. Let's assign step 1 to test case 2. And if we go to the database and refresh it, now we see the test case 1, test step 2, and test step 2 is assigned to step test case 1. Now let's try to delete, and I would like to show, because it's not enough time, I would like to show how I update area. I put, okay, in test area, okay, okay, doesn't matter. Put, yes, put test area, update test area 2. We updated it, body, it used to be input. Let's do it accrual. Now we see it's accruals, everything is changed inside the test steps. If we have a get of test area all, we see that everything got no, we don't have it. I don't show this description, but it's changed on the steps. And the final one, when I delete test area and I put to all tables will be deleted. Everything should be deleted. So let's check test area, refresh, reports change to accrual, and let's try to delete this test area too. Then everything is done. Let's go and check. So test area, refresh only input, test case, refresh only the second one test case left, because it was assigned to this test area. And this one, click refresh. It's only one test step is here, and case to step. Let's check it and refresh. Yes, only one test case is left. So that's it for my final project. I put all the documents in my GitHub folder. Thank you.